Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mona. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a travel addicted German dreadhead. I've had my dreads for 1.5 years now, and I upload videos about my dreads and traveling in general. And today I'm gonna show you some products that I use for my dreadlocks, and they work perfectly fine for thin hair, but I just want to mention that they might not work for you because every type of hair is different. So it's all a process of trying and finding out what works for you, but I'm just gonna give you some suggestions what you can try. And I want to mention nothing is sponsored, so I paid for all of these myself. I just want to mention that because I'm just convinced that they work perfectly for me and I want to show them to you. So let's get started. First of all, when it comes to washing my hair, I use 2 types of shampoo, and I always make sure that it doesn't include any... Ooh, it's still wet. The shampoo is still wet because I had a shower this morning. I don't use any specific dreadlock shampoo, but I use like Head and Shoulder and a shampoo from Nivea, but actually all kind of shampoo that doesn't include any silicone, they work perfectly fine because silicones, they create the Garnier effect, like the super silky hair, and you don't want that with your dreads. So you can use any type of shampoo without silicones. Also, I use this super cool thingy. I don't know what it's called, but actually I bought it from China, and I think I just looked up for a scalp massage thing. It's such a relief on your head because you can put shampoo on your head and then use it while washing your hair, and it stimulates your scalp. Then after washing my dreadlocks, I use some dreadlock oil. I have one from Locs and one from Raw Roots. They're both pretty good, but when it comes to the smell, I prefer the ones from Locs, simply because it smells a bit nicer. The one from Raw Roots smells really natural, and yeah, it smells like broccoli. It says broccoli on here, and it does smell like broccoli, so I don't like the smell, but maybe you do. Yeah, it's really important to keep your dreadlocks hydrated, simply because you don't want your hair and your dreads to break and to have like the dead ends. And yeah, you can do that with some oil. It's very good for your dreads. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Just one little thing, I will be starting a new little screenshot challenge in most of my videos where you can take a screenshot now and then you can share it on your Instagram story, put some nice gifs and emojis there and tag me, and I will be shouting out the most creative and funny ones. And that's it, let's continue. Another product I use for keeping my dreadlocks hydrated and also my scalp is this. I got it from a Rasta shop in my town. I think you can get this one almost everywhere. And yeah, I keep this one in the refrigerator most of the times because then it's really refreshing when you spray it on your scalp. I think all dreadheads can relate to itchy scalp or irritated scalp from time to time. And the product that I use for this issue is Uppity. Some people might tell you it's wrong because it will help your hair grow, but it doesn't have this type of effect for my hair, and it seriously, it's perfect for your scalp. It's cooling and it makes your head feel fresh. Sorry, my battery ran out. So I have 2 more products that I want to introduce you to. The first one is the Deep Cleansing Kit from Raw Roots. I do this one every 5 to 6 months, or actually whenever I feel like it. And it comes with a deep cleansing balm, which you just put in a bucket of water, and then it just disappears, you know, and then it makes all the bubbles, and you put your hair in there, and it really cleans your dreadlocks. And then afterwards you rinse your dreadlocks with apple cider vinegar, which is also included in this kit, and it just makes your scalp and your dreadlocks refreshed and clean. And the last product that I use a lot during winter when I just can't go outside and let my hair dry by the sun is this blow drying head machine. It looks ridiculous, but it works wonders, and you can simply let your hair blow dry while you do some other stuff because the cord is like 3 meters long, so you can move around your place or your apartment, do whatever you need to do and get your hair dried within, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, so that's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I see you guys next time. Bye!